Online casinos are a world of excitement and potential winnings. They offer a convenient way to enjoy your favorite casino games from home. One way to boost your chances of winning is by using promo codes. Think of them as your secret weapon for unlocking amazing bonuses and rewards. Promo codes are special codes that you enter on a gambling website. These codes give you access to exclusive offers. These offers can include things like bonus funds to play with or free spins on popular slot games. Using promo codes is a smart way to get more out of your online gambling experience. They give you extra value and increase your chances of walking away a winner. Stake.com is a popular platform known for its exciting games and user-friendly interface. What makes Stake even better? The platform offers special promo codes that take your gaming to the next level. These codes unlock a world of exclusive bonuses and rewards. But what exactly is the Stake promo code, and how does it work? It's a unique combination of letters and numbers. You enter this code on the Stake platform, usually during the registration process or when making a deposit. This simple action instantly unlocks a range of benefits designed to enhance your gaming experience and increase your winning potential. The beauty of the Stake promo code lies in the variety of benefits it offers. New users can look forward to a generous welcome package. This package often includes a deposit match bonus, where Stake matches a percentage of your initial deposit, effectively doubling your starting funds. But the benefits don't stop there. Stake also rewards loyal players with ongoing promotions. These can range from free spins on selected slots to reload bonuses on subsequent deposits. By taking advantage of these offers, you can extend your gameplay, explore new games, and increase your chances of hitting that lucky win. Navigating the world of Stake promo codes, a step-by-step guide. Using a Stake promo code is simple and straightforward. Start by finding a reputable source for the latest and most rewarding codes. You can often find these on affiliate websites or through Stake's official communication channels. Once you have the code, head over to Stake.com and create an account if you haven't already. During the registration process, look for a field to enter your promo code. If you're an existing user, you can usually enter the promo code in the cashier section when making a deposit. Always double-check that you've entered the code correctly to avoid missing out on the benefits. Responsible gambling, the winning strategy. While promo codes can enhance your online gambling experience, it's crucial to approach it responsibly. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it, even when tempted by exciting bonuses. Remember that gambling should be viewed as a form of entertainment, not a guaranteed way to make money. Never chase losses, and take breaks if you feel yourself getting carried away. Most importantly, familiarize yourself with Stake's responsible gambling tools. These tools allow you to set deposit limits, loss limits, and even self-exclude for a period if needed. Play smart, win big making the most of Stake promo code. Promo codes, like the Stake promo code, are valuable tools for maximizing your online gambling experience. They unlock a world of exclusive bonuses, boost your winnings, and add an extra layer of excitement to your gameplay. However, it's vital to remember that responsible gambling is the key to a truly enjoyable and rewarding experience. By setting limits, playing within your means, and understanding the terms and conditions of any promotion, you can make the most of your Stake journey. Remember, the thrill of the game is always more rewarding when played responsibly. So use your Stake promo code wisely, and may luck be on your side.